Creators and educators, Kajabi versus WordPress. Which platform is best for knowledge commerce? One gives you everything out of the box. The other is flexible but needs more setup. Let's break it down fast. Kajabi is a true all-in-one platform, hosting courses, memberships, email marketing, funnels, and sales pages without extra plugins or tools. It's built specifically for selling knowledge and digital products with minimal tech work. WordPress is super flexible and customizable. With plugins like LMS systems, membership tools, and page builders, you can build a knowledge commerce site that fits your brand. But it takes more setup, hosting, and maintenance. You also need separate tools for email and payments. So, if you want a turnkey solution focused on knowledge commerce, Kajabi wins. If you want full customization and control with more work on your site, WordPress wins. Which one fits your goals? Comment below and follow for more quick comparisons.